Hey, what is going on, bandits? My favorite bandits. So here I am, but today I've got a little bit different video because as you can see behind me right here, this is a finger timer and that's not a game. Today I'm gonna solve this baby up in under 5 minutes. Yeah. So this is a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna scramble it according to what they say right here. They say D2. So I'll probably speed this part up. D2, U2, L2, L2, D, U prime, F. Okay, that's clockwise. L, D, R prime, R prime. So guys, I'm solving according to this, the way to solve given below the screen, right at the bottom of the screen. So you may think that, yeah, this is a cheat. You can cheat this Rubik's Cube. So I'm totally solving with the help of a finger timer. D2, F front, D, D, U, B, U prime, L, R prime, B prime, D2, D2, U2, up 2, U2, R, right, F2, front 2, L prime, R2, R2. So guys, as you can see, this is pretty much scrambled. Right now, I'm gonna solve it. Yeah, this is the time. Keep it here. In and under 5 minutes. I think it will be in and under 4 minutes, but I'm kind of nervous about that. I've never solved it in front of camera, so I'll try it in and under 5 minutes. And if I can, you gotta drop a like on this video. So let's go. So guys, I'm not commentating when I'm solving because it's pretty difficult to solve, and if I miss one move, I have to do it over and over again. So I'm not commentating this part. So, but I won't be fast forwarding this because I'm loyal to you guys. Let's see. My hand would probably be outside the camera, but now it's inside. Don't think I'm cheating, right? I'm legit turning it. One minute and 25 seconds already? Are you kidding me? I think I won't be able to solve this within 5 minutes. Was my hand inside the camera or am I cheating? I don't know. Oh yeah. Holy shit. I missed one step. Oh yeah, I did it. Yeah, I did it. Now the last step. And I would pretty much do it within 5 minutes. Yeah. I got it. Come on, come on. Oh shit. I'll take the record of 4 minutes. My hand is paining. Finally! 3 minutes and 57 seconds and 77 milliseconds. And it's all solved. And this side, every side solved. Pretty much every side. Green. Actually, this had a cap like this, but this is so loose. I just opened the cap to tighten up the screw with this shit. Right, like this. And I lost this. And I lost this too. But everything else is the same. Let me just move the light a bit so you can see the colors. Oh yeah. What the hell? Oh, so here it is. All the colors solved. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I again told guys this is a bad habit of mine. So thank you my favorite bandits so much for watching. If you like my video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Anything, you can lick that thumbs up, you can kick that thumbs up, but make sure don't break this, don't break your phone screen. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, no need to touch it. Don't even touch it. Don't even dare to touch it. I know your home address. I'll go you I'll go to you, go to your home, and I don't know what I will do, but thank you guys so much for watching, and here's a bandit high five. Bring your hand closer to your phone and give me a high five. Oh, my camera's moving. So, thank you guys so much for the high five, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.